Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. You need to install several dependencies for OpenGamePanel. Run the following command to install them. Enable and start Apache and MySQL services if they are not already running. Log into MySQL to create OpenGamePanel database. Once logged in, run the following commands to create a database and user. Also to grant all privileges on this user, flush privileges and exit. Clone the OpenGamePanel repository from GitHub. Change ownership and permission for the OpenGamePanel directory by running the next command. Create an Apache virtual host configuration file by running the following command. Add the following content to the file. Don't forget to change the server name with your domain name or IP address. Enable the OpenGamePanel site and the rewrite module by running the following commands. Then restart Apache. Navigate to your server IP or domain name in a web browser. Follow the installation steps, providing the database details, name, user, and password you created earlier. Once the installation is complete, you can log into OpenGamePanel by going to your domain name. Use the default admin credentials to log in. Now you should have OpenGamePanel installed and configured on the latest version of Ubuntu. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.